How to list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to add your own products on eBay using CJ Dropshipping. So first thing, you need to make sure that you have your eBay account ready and you are signed in. If you're not registered or signed up yet, you can go ahead and enroll using your Facebook, your Google, and even your Apple account. So what you need to do once you're on your eBay account is you go under My eBay and then go to Settings, and you'll be routed into this page. So what you can do is you can start listing an item, or what you need to do first is you sign in. As you can see, I need to register or sign up an account for business so that eBay will allow me to sell items or products as well. So we're here at cjdropshipping.com. So this is another platform that you need to sign up in order for us to connect these two platforms in order for us to list your own products using this platform. So you can start with inputting your email address, creating your password. You need to confirm your password as well and agree to the terms and conditions. After you have signed in and signed up successfully with this CG drop shipping, what you need to do is go to My CJ, that's on the upper corner of the website. And then here, what you need to do is that you actually need to verify your email first on to make sure that you will be able to use your account or your email using this account. So what you need to do is go under store authorization and look for eBay. You need to click on eBay, and then from there, what you can do is that you can add the store and then just click on agree and continue. But after reading all the terms and conditions given and also the policies as well. So once done, you will be successfully signed up into your account, and we have successfully connected your eBay to your CJ dropshipping account as well. Once this is done, what you need to do is you can go back to My CJ, and then what you need to do is to look for a product that you want to be listed into your eBay and into your CJ dropshipping as well. So what you can do here is that here you need to sign in as well your eBay account. Here you can click on My eBay and then go under settings, I mean selling rather, and then go to sign up or continue with Google. And then here you have it. You are now connected, or you now have your eBay signed in into your account. So what you need to do here is that you can see that there are a few product listing that needs to be um, listed and posted into the account. So what we need to do here is go to CJ Dropshipping, and then we look for a product that you want to sell. And then from here, what you need to do is that you need to add that product to list. So you need to look for the product first. So you can go to My CJ, that's on the upper corner of the website, and then go under My CJ on the left side panel, click on Purchase List. Once you're on this page, you need to click on the upper right corner of the screen. And here, before we go to add a purchase list, you can go to store authorization. And here you can see that my eBay account is already connected or has been activated into my CJ dropshipping. So going back to my CJ, what you need to do is to go to purchase list and then add purchase. That's on the first button on the upper right corner. That's orange button. Click on add purchase and you will be routed into this page where there are a lot of product recommendation that is um, given or recommended. So what I'll do here is I'll be choosing this tapestry here. So what I'll do is that you need to scroll down, and here there are a lot of buttons that you can choose from. Connect or list. What you need to do is click on list, and you need to make sure that the store that you will be listing the product should be under eBay. And then make sure as well that you change the warehouse. And another thing here is that you need to make sure that you already have set your own price for the product. You need to click on a price change, and you can also click on recommend listing price. And CJ Dropshipping will automatically input the suggested price that they have. You also need to click on listing quantity. So you can click on the drop down button and then change the price change to listing change, and then you can edit the quantity. So from here, what I did here is I clicked on edit product listing. And then here what we will do is that you can change the title of the product. You also need to input the description of the product, and make sure that the store once again should be under your eBay account. So you can review the description if there's any information that you want to add, or if there's any information that you want to remove, you can do so. So here are the images, and here are the variety as well. So you can check and uncheck the products that you want to be included into the listing. And here you need to make sure as well that your price and the quantity is filled out so that you will be able to successfully list the product into your account. Here, make sure you filled out all the informations correctly. And there you have it. You already have the product on your pending product. So what you need to do is you can click on list it now once again, and then you'll be routed into this page. You just need to follow the same process, fill out the price change and fill out the listing quantity as well. And then click on list it now. And if you encounter the same process, you need to review the product informations that you have onto your account to see on why you have been encountering those errors or issues into the account. And then here you can click on exit, and then you can go back to your product list, and as you can see, it is now added into your purchase list here onto the account. And that's about it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.